Welcome to N's Lifestyle. Today, we'll show you how to grow delicious tomatoes right in your own backyard or garden. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, growing tomatoes is a rewarding experience that can yield juicy, flavorful fruits. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing tomato varieties. The first step is to choose the right tomato variety for your location and preferences. Consider factors like size, flavor, and growth habit. Popular varieties include cherry tomatoes, beefsteak, and heirlooms. Choose determinate or indeterminate types based on your space and climate. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Tomatoes thrive in well-draining, fertile soil. Start by preparing your soil. Dig a planting area or use containers filled with nutrient-rich soil. Incorporate compost or organic matter to improve soil structure and fertility. Step 3. Planting tomato seeds or seedlings. You can start tomatoes from seeds indoors or purchase seedlings from a nursery. If starting from seeds, plant them indoors a few weeks before the last frost date. Transplant seedlings into the garden or containers once the soil has warmed up. Step 4. Providing adequate care. Water your tomato plants regularly, aiming to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize with a balanced organic fertilizer to promote healthy growth. Mulch around the plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Step 5. Supporting tomato plants. As tomato plants grow, they'll need support to prevent them from sprawling on the ground. Use tomato cages, stakes, or trellises to support the plants and keep fruits off the soil. This helps prevent diseases and makes harvesting easier. Step 6. Pruning and maintenance. Separate tomato plants to improve air circulation and encourage fruit production. Remove suckers that grow in the leaf axils to focus plant energy on fruit development. Regularly check for pests and diseases, and take prompt action if needed. Step 7. Managing pests and disease. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, hornworms, and diseases such as blight and wilts. Use organic methods like companion planting, neem oil, or insecticidal soap to control pests and diseases without harmful chemicals. Step 8. Harvesting and enjoying fresh tomatoes. Finally, the most rewarding step: harvesting your tomatoes. Pick tomatoes when they reach their mature color and feel firm to the touch. Enjoy them fresh in salads, sandwiches, or homemade sauces. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown tomatoes. Conclusion: congratulations on learning how to grow tomatoes. With these steps, you'll be able to grow delicious tomatoes in your garden or containers. Experiment with different varieties and techniques to find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your tomato growing experiences with us. Happy gardening!